In this video, we will discuss creating custom workflows in the Implant app on the DS7 touchscreen. Begin by opening the app tray. Then select the Implant app. Next, select the Workflow menu. Navigate to the Custom tab. Here you can edit, duplicate, or delete existing custom workflows. Start a new workflow by duplicating an existing one. Or create a new custom workflow. When adding steps to a new custom workflow, you can start from scratch configuring all required settings. Or you can choose to duplicate an existing step from another workflow. Steps can be duplicated from existing favorite, custom, or default workflows. Select your desired step and press Done. Once a step is duplicated, you can change any desired parameters. Then press Save to add it to the custom workflow. Once multiple steps have been added to a workflow, the arrows to the right of the step name can be used to reorder the steps. Add a custom name to the workflow. Then press Save to create the new workflow. Your new workflow will now show in the Custom tab. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.